Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Sweatcoin to Cash App and explain what is currently possible. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. Right now, Sweatcoin does not officially support direct transfers to Cash App, PayPal, or bank accounts. To check this yourself, open the Sweatcoin app, go to your profile, and then open Settings. From there, tap Help and look for the section called Other Common Queries. Inside that section, Sweatcoin explains that cashing out Sweatcoins to PayPal or a bank account is not currently available. Because of this limitation, you cannot directly transfer Sweatcoin funds to your Cash App balance at this time. For now, the best option is to continue collecting and saving your Sweatcoins while waiting for future updates or withdrawal features that may be added later. Sweatcoin may expand its payout options in the future, but currently there is no official way to send Sweatcoin directly to Cash App. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.